Are you looking for that truck that is rare? This is it. The 1955 Cameo. This is what started the truck craze. It's sitting right here. This was the grand experiment. Before 55, trucks were made for one thing. They were work utility vehicles. That is it. In 55, they decided to see if America would love to have a luxury vehicle as a truck. It had a nice ride, it had a nice interior, and you got options for the first time. Remember, they only made a handful of these because they wanted to see what the American public would say. They found out immediately, we love our trucks. Yes, we do. This is a full frame off. The frame has been fully boxed and it's done by 3x5, so she's extremely solid. It also has an El Camino front clip, 4-wheel disc brakes, powered steering, a beautiful interior. Look at the glass. This is true tinted glass all the way around in the truck. Let's talk power for a moment. How about a 383 stroker, 700 R4 transmission, a 4-link in the rear with 3.43 gears so you can drive her on the highway. She is a beautiful riding truck. I want you to give me a call. I'll be glad to talk to you. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's get to this absolutely stunning Cameo truck. we're going to go over the switches that are on the 55 Cameo. Just underneath the driver's side speaker, you have this black switch. That opens the fuel door. The switch that is right by the tachometer, that is your courtesy light. On the right-hand side, this black switch is actually for your electric cutouts. This switch is for your overdrive for the transmission. When the car is on, it eliminates a light blue light. This is for the fresh air for the driver's side, the fresh air for the passenger side. This is for the 2-speed wiper motor. This is a lighter. These are for your controls on the radio for volume and tuning. Just want to point this out to you. This is not for your gas. Do not remove it. The tank has been removed. It's now in the bed, and the tank is underneath the tailgate. Isn't she absolutely stunning? The 1955 Cameo truck. Extremely rare, and we have one of the finest examples available. Remember, this is a full frame off build. It's been fully boxed in. You get the 4-wheel disc brakes, you get the powered steering. True tinted glass. This is a beautiful, beautiful build. 383 stroker, 700 R4 transmission, 4-link in the rear. Got 343 gears. She can be driven anywhere. She is gorgeous and she's ready for you. I know you're going to have tons of questions. Give me a call. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.